Hey everyone, get ready to brighten your day with a dish that's bursting with sunshine. Today we're making incredibly simple and delicious lemon rice, perfect for any meal. It's quick, vibrant and absolutely irresistible. For this zesty delight you'll need cooked rice, a fresh lemon, some oil, mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, peanuts, curry leaves, green chilies, and a pinch of turmeric and salt. Simple ingredients for spectacular flavor. First, heat oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then, toss in the urad dal, chana dal and peanuts. Saute until they turn golden brown and fragrant. This adds a wonderful crunch. Next, add your curry leaves and chopped green chilies. Stir for a few seconds until aromatic. Now it's time for the turmeric powder and salt. Give it a quick mix. Finally, add your cooked rice to the pan. Gently fold everything together until the rice is beautifully coated and heated through. The last step is the star, a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Mix it in well, and there you have it. A vibrant, flavorful lemon rice ready in no time. It's fantastic on its own or as a side dish. Try this recipe and let us know what you think. Happy cooking!